Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangles exercise 6.2 third sum. Let's see the question. In the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So given that these two are parallel, that is LM is parallel to CB. So now we know that LM is parallel to CB. If I take this triangle ABC, so we want to prove something by in ratio. So if I take this triangle, always take a triangle with the bigger base. So the base is here, the bigger length is here. So I am taking this triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, we know that LM is parallel to BC. So from this we can say that as it is parallel, taking this triangle, this is parallel to this. So according to BPT, by BPT we know that AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. So AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Okay, let me do the another parallel. Another parallel is NL is parallel to CD. That means we are going to take this triangle. So in triangle A, always take the bigger base as the base of the triangle. The bigger length of the parallel thing will be your base of the triangle. So if I take this, the base, we can see we are going to take this triangle ADC. And we know that NL is parallel to DC. See? So NL is parallel to DC. So by BPT we know that this by this is equal to this by this. So AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. Now if we see these two are equal. If these two are equal, then this will be equal. If this is phi is equal to phi, we know that this is phi. So phi is equal to phi. So always leave the equal one and take the other one equal. So from 1 and 2, we know that AL is equal to LC. Here is also AL is equal to LC. Leave the same thing. Write the rest. That is AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. Now what is to be proved is AM by AB. Here we are getting MB. Here AN by AD we are getting ND. So we want AB. Instead of this we want AB. This is okay. AM is okay. AN is okay. But this is wrong according to what is to be proved. In that case, always take the correct one at the denominator side. So I am just taking reciprocal. Always take the correct one on the denominator. If we want this to be, we know that this is right. So I'll take this to the denominator by just taking the reciprocal. Is equal to ND by reciprocal, in the sense both the sides we need to take the reciprocal. Now adding 1 to both the sides, we want a bigger one. We are getting MB, we want AB. So I want a bigger one. To get a bigger one, just add 1 to it. 1 on both the sides. If I add 1 to both the sides, we need to take LCM. So it becomes MB plus multiply. If there is 1 on the denominator, just multiply the denominator, which will become AM by AM. So here also ND, to take LCM just multiply AN by AN. Now see the diagram, AM by MB. AM by MB means AM plus MB is what? AM plus MB is AB. So we can write this to be AB by AM is equal to same way ND plus AN. ND plus AN. ND plus AN is nothing but AD. Now according to prove AM should be on the numerator. So again take a reciprocal. If we take a reciprocal, it becomes AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is what we need to prove. So we have proved it, hence proved. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.